Hello again, everyone. So, hope you're all doing well. In Kyoto, however, we just entered the rainy season, and I can already feel the summer heat creeping in. So, if you want to know when is not the best time to be in Kyoto, it'd be summer. It's rather humid. Well, enough about the weather. So, for this clip, I'm sharing a bit of the Maiko and Geiko dance show by the Pontocho Geisha district. So in Kyoto, there are actually 5 main geisha groups, and they usually hold performances, especially in spring, down to early summer, and a few times in fall. So I recently went to the Kamogawa River, and I highly recommend you try seeing one if you're around that time. Obviously you can't film, but don't worry, I have some clips I took when I attended a private event. Not the same group and same show, but it's equally entertaining. So the whole performance lasted about 75 minutes. So here's a peek of the Pontocho area and some backyard barbecuing after. That is so cute. So there you have it, the Maiko and Geiko dance performance in Pontocho area. And if there's anything you want to see in Kyoto or Japan, leave me a comment. じゃあまたね. Until next time.